Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Cassie. I'm a mother of four living in wonderful Sunshine State of Florida. On my channel, you will see cleaning, organizing, decluttering, DIY projects, and more. If that interests you, I hope you stick around, like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future content I put out. Now with that in mind, today I'm sharing a Get It All Done Sunday Reset video, packed full of motivation to help you tackle what you need to get done. Currently, I'm showing you an overview of what I have to tackle in my home. I also have a new set of pots and pans and a new vacuum to share with you in this video. It's not sponsored, but it is my honest review and opinion on it. So let's get started.
Sometimes it burns, sometimes it hurts when you say my name, but thinking of hers, I don't wanna know, don't want you to go and leave me behind. No, I don't wanna see if it isn't me who's on your mind. Halfway from home, I picked up my phone. I stared at your face, but it's not your tone. Saying oh hello, who are you to call me late in the night? She says, I just called to say that it's here with me and not where he might be. 'Cause I don't know what you're looking for. Oh, and I don't know what to do. Hold back, let go. There is nothing more for me to show. You're hiding to breathe, running from me. Do you really wanna be? Oh baby, tell me you need me, that you can't stand it no more, that she ain't what you're looking for. Oh baby, oh tell me you love me. You know it took two to break us down. Now you're gone and won't be found. 'Cause I don't know what you're looking for. I don't know what you're looking for. And I don't know what to do. Hold back, let go. There is nothing more for me to show. You're hiding to breathe, running from me. Do you really wanna be in love? How did we end up here in the corner, looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get
Okay, everyone, I thought I'd take a moment and show you my new vacuum. It is a corded Shark vacuum. I purchased it at Target. Let me get a better shot of this for you. It's called the Shark Rocket Pet. Stronger suction, powerful pet hair pickup. It also comes with a couple tools. This one would be great to use on your vents on your ceiling or your air conditioned vents. This is for upholstery, and of course you have your little stick. But this vacuum only cost me $99.99, $100. It was originally marked at $200, and I received it on sale for only $100. And I tried it out last night, and it works great. I am so happy. I was a little on the edge of determining if I wanted to get a vacuum with a cord or not a cord, but due to the fact that so many of these cordless vacuums only last for about 35 to 45 minutes, it's just not long enough, and the battery always dies, and I'm never completed vacuuming. I might just get through a room or two and the vacuum battery has died. What I think, this is just my personal opinion, but the way that these vacuums are so expensive, the ones that are cordless, I honestly think that they should provide you with an extra battery, because wouldn't you think that would make sense? So that you would always have an extra battery charged, so that when your battery dies out, you could just click on the new one. But they don't have that available for people that buy cordless vacuums. So I jumped on this one with a cord. It has powerful suction. I was so completely amazed. I did just a little bit of my rug in my living room, which I thought was clean. Can you see how much hair I sucked up? And I was like, what? That is crazy. But I'm also so happy about it because, hello, who doesn't want to get rid of that in their house? Due to the fact I do have 10 cats and a dog, and we have at least 5 people here, it just gets really, really dirty, and I vacuum at least 3-4 times a day throughout the day, I would have to say, honestly. I love vacuuming. I like having my house clean, so it's not a big deal to me, but I just wanted to share this with you. I am so relieved that I don't have to lug around that beast of a vacuum that I was using, but it was a Shark, and it was doing the job that it needed to do, and I was happy about that. But this vacuum, one feature that I love about it is that it sucks up front and backwards. My other vacuum was just not doing its job. I would literally have to start using a broom and dustpan just to remove all the cat litter off the floor, because when I would vacuum it up, it would suck it up, but it would shoot it back on my legs. And I was like, oh my gosh, so I'd have to keep re-vacuuming over and over and over again. But this one, it sucks it up, no problem. It makes all my floors feel silky smooth, even without mopping yet. And I just couldn't be happier with this vacuum. And the fact that I did go into Target with a budget of $200 to get a vacuum, and I walked out with only spending $100. So it's a win-win for me, and I thought I would share it. This isn't sponsored by Shark, because I honestly think that Shark is the best product. It's better than Dyson, in my opinion. I have a Dyson, and it's broken.
and I've had to replace parts on it multiple times, and I just don't want to go that route anymore. So I stick with Shark. I've used many Shark products, and I will definitely stand by them. And I definitely recommend this particular vacuum. So if you're interested, you can find it at Target. You might be able to find it still on sale. I don't know. It was the last one, so I felt like it was a sign for me. But I'm going to show you just how good of a vacuum this is. Once I get into this kitchen and start cleaning, I'm going to show you. I have a lot of cat litter on the floor, to which I've already cleaned my cat boxes. I want to say this right now. I don't want to clean my cat boxes online. I don't think that that's appealing. Honestly, I don't think anybody wants to watch me scoop poop or clean out cat boxes. So I kind of leave that out of my videos, just like I don't clean the bathrooms in my house. I might start cleaning my bathrooms, but as of cleaning the toilets, I never found that interesting or appealing to watch other people clean their bathroom toilets. So you won't be catching me do that on my channel, but I just wanted to put that out there. But honestly, when I get back in here, I want to show you just how good this is going to get sucked up. And also, over here where my kitty cats are napping, I showed earlier all the hair that has accumulated on this bench. Oh my goodness! Bless you! But I'm gonna use this little nifty tool here, and we're gonna see how good it gets this bench cleaned. So stay tuned for that. But right now we're gonna go back in my bedroom and we're gonna finish up vacuuming and mopping in there and getting that completed. So let's get this bedroom completed.
Okay, before we start vacuuming and mopping, I want to do a quick wipe down and dust everything in my room. I have a question. How many times do you dust a week? Do you only dust weekly? Do you dust daily? Because I feel the need to dust every day, because I don't have air purifiers in my house, to which I am going to invest in soon, because I think I need more help with maintaining the the hair and the dust that accumulates in my house throughout the day. I just feel like I have to dust every day to keep up with it. And I was just curious, do you dust daily? Do you dust weekly? How many times do you feel the need to dust your house? Let me know in the comments below.
Exactly what it means and how it acts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me. But now it's
Now, I have to say, I do really love this vacuum, but there is features I wish it did have. Like I said, I wish that it was cordless, but it's not. But I love the fact that it has great power and suction. I also wish that it had a light on the front, because I do like to vacuum at night, and to be able to see all of the hair that those lights that they have on these vacuums just makes it so satisfying to vacuum at night and making sure that you're getting all the hair and particles that have settled onto the floor. I wish it had a light, and I also wish that it had a retractable cord, because when I do use this vacuum, which is multiple times throughout the day, it gets tiresome having to roll up the hose, the cord, you know, every time I use it. And so I kind of just wind it up and just set it on there. But it would be a lot easier if it had a contractible cord. So yeah, think I still am going to purchase a cordless vacuum due to the fact I vacuum a lot, and I think it would be much easier and much more practical if I had a vacuum that I could quickly just whip out and run really quick, on my floors to get up any cat litter or sand or whatever it may be on the floor quickly, instead of having to pull out a vacuum with a cord and unravel it every time and fight the cord and then have to wind it up and put it back. It becomes a little bit too much for me, but that's my opinion on that. Now here, I'm going to show you my new pots and pans I also got at Target. These pots and pans are great. I really, 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 really like the choice that I made of purchasing these particular pans. They don't have lids. Excuse me, they come with lids. They don't have handles. They come with this attachable handle that fits on all of the pots and pans, and it came with two handles. Um, but I really love this feature because the other handles that I had on my other pans, which were T-file, they would always get loose and they always had to be tightened up, and it became such a nuisance. So I really love the feature of these pans. It does come with some silicone utensils like a spatula, some tongs, and a spoon. It comes with lids. I'm having trouble getting these pans out, so give me a moment. Okay, it comes with an instruction manual. Tells you a little bit about the pots and pans. It came with 3 of these lids, a large lid, a medium-sized lid, and a small lid.
Hard to breathe. Just get me out of here.
Each of these pans came with this little flower fabric to line each pan so that they don't get um, scratched up. And they also came with those little flower pot holders to put the hot pans on. I thought that was really cool. It also came with these 2 silicone lids so that if you choose to want to store it in the refrigerator, you can do so without having to transfer it to a different pot or container. But I'm going to continue to unpack this and I'm going to tell you a little bit more about them.
Just get me out of here. Just get me out of. How can you be so calm around me when I act desperately? You used to be the one getting crazy when
Okay, here I'm showing you how you place each flower paper into each pan, which keeps them from getting scratched as you stack them together, which makes it such a great way to store them in your cupboard, which gives you a lot of save space, I would say, instead of having to store them individually underneath your cabinet. Again, here's a little overview. So you have your 2 silicone lids, you have 3 of the silicone flower pot holders, and it also comes with the 3 lids, the large, medium, and small. And it also comes with the cooking utensils that are made of silicone and the 2 locking handles, to which I'm going to show you now how that locking handle works. So you just grip it and it locks, and when you want to release it, you just press the button. So you again just click it on, squeeze it, it locks on, and then when you want to release it, you just press the button. I think this is so great. I love this. I also love that each pan has 2 pour spouts on it so that you can drain any liquid from your pots without spilling it or burning yourself. I also love how the lids have a little vent spout so that the steam can escape when you have the lid on, when it's on your stove. But yeah, these pots and pans are terrific, and I found them at Target. And this set here only cost $120, and I think it was well worth every penny. Now I am very thirsty and need a little pick-me-up, so I'm going to make some coffee here before I get started doing any more house chores. I'm going to need a little pick-me-up, so give me a moment, let me make some coffee, and we'll get right back into this video.
Be hard to reach. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb, we'll be enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse.
Okay, now we're going to start in the kitchen. We're going to wipe down all the surfaces and get everything cleaned up so that we can move on to what else we have to clean.
No, I just wanna get out of.
I'm also going to start charging up all my tea lights. These are all my tea lights that I place around my house in little tea candles to give that little ambiance glow in the evening time. So while they're charging, I'm going to come over here and start taking these pots and pans apart so that I can give them a good wash before we use them.
Yeah, I find it so hard to breathe. Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me. But now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me. But now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. I can't believe you're here. Can't get any words, no. Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you're gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. I know you don't wanna talk, but just pick up the phone. We could go for a walk, talk about the things we know. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now?
Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to be putting them in their new storage place. I'm thinking about getting rid of my old set of pans, but then again, I don't want to get rid of them because I would like to keep them for my children to use because I'm not comfortable with them using my brand new pans right now. You know how kids are, they just don't take care of things like you would. So I think I'm going to hold on to my old pans for the simple fact to give them some pots and pans so that they can use that. I'm not going to get upset if they mess up, but I do have plans in the future to get rid of these pans right here and replace them with another set. I would like to have two sets, yes. One for the kids to use and one for myself. Yeah, we're going to be replacing a lot of things in my kitchen. I want to get all new pots and pans, to which I did, but I want to get some more pots and pans, and I want to get new cookie sheets and new cooking utensils. I want to get some new silverware, along with new serving dishes, new glasses, new plates and bowls and plastic plates and bowls. I just want to replace everything because I've been rocking all of this stuff for a good long time. I would have to say I've been rocking it for at least 8 years. So yeah, it's time for upgrades.
What if you were gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. May I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you're gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
I know we've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to start, but I still love you like.
Okay, here in this shot, I'm showing you how I'm using my new vacuum with the attachment to collect all this hair on this bench, and as you can see, it's doing a really good job. And yeah, I couldn't be happier. This is definitely makes cleaning a little bit more pleasurable, because nothing is worse than when you're trying to do your job and you're cleaning and your tools are just worn down and they don't work properly. It just doesn't make you motivated or want to even clean. So yeah, I'm just so stoked to be cleaning and using a new vacuum. It just makes it so much more fun to do, and also it makes the job not only easier, but it makes it um, more enjoyable to, do it and get it done with. So yeah, here it is. Here's the turnout, all nice and clean, and I love it.
It breaks my heart, no text, no calls from you. Without you, could shake this off, but you're not that tough with me. So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I made you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time.
Okay, now that my tea lights have charged, I'm going to turn them all on, put them on the timer setting that I have with this remote, and go place them where I need to place them. And I'm going to get the other tea lights to start charging so that I have all of them ready and placed when it's time to turn them all on to get that evening glow that I love so much.
Don't say we're drifting apart. I can't stand to see you with another. Oh, I know I once broke your heart, but I still love you like I do. Love you like I do. Oh, it breaks your heart. No text, no calls from me. I thought I could shake this off, but I'm not that tough with you.
Okay, now that the kitchen is all clean, we're going to move on into the living room. I'm going to wipe down all the surfaces, make sure all my shelves are dusted, and then we're going to give a quick vacuum and mop.
Run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I'll make you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. Run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I make you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll make good this time around. Stepping out, it's Friday night. How I'm longing for this day. Yes, I'm single, oh, we want to mingle, and my friends are on the way. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, whoa. I got that good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, whoa. And time after time, I am wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Oh, that smile makes me tripping out. I wanna dance with you tonight. Yeah, you close to me, feeling good. I believe I gotta have you in my life. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, I got this good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, and time after time, I am wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. She's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Can live without. Time after time after time, I'm wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark? From so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night? And what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. How come the stars come to shine when it's dark? From so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes
Okay, well, that wraps up everything in this cleaning video. I'm going to give you some overshots. I hope that this video inspired you, gave you some motivation. I hope that it was enjoyable for you to watch. Please, if you could, take some time and like and share. Give me a thumbs up and let me know that you enjoyed this video. It helps my channel out so much, more than you know. But yeah, I'm very pleased with the outcome. I also want to say I hope that all of you mothers out there had a wonderful Mother's Day. I also want to mention that I've got some bonus footage to share with you at the end of this video. I'm going to give you a little walk around tour around the property of my house to show you all the trees that live on my property. We get so many wildlife, different birds, and we have owls, and I just love all the nature that's outside, and I wanted to share a little bit with you, so stay tuned. At the end of the video, I will share that with you. But as for this video, it's the end, and I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much for spending the time with me today, and I'm going to be sharing some more great footage and videos of projects that are going to be coming up, so stay tuned for all of that. Look forward to it, and I'm going to catch you guys in my next video. Until then, bye y'all.
me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I just wonder. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, it makes me wonder.